Today in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create this mind sketch effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's nice, guys. Okay, guys, as you see here in my Adobe Premiere Pro, I have some image. So let's click here for this image and then click on set to frame size. This is cool. And then here, guys, I have my image, which I have my footage which I'm going to use. Okay, so the next step it is, let me find where my image will be started. Okay, so it will be started by here. This subject is left thumbs up. Okay, and then I have to move it here up. So you have to duplicate it, okay, by holding Alt on your keyboard and then you duplicate it. Right click on the top layer, you click add frame hold. You see on my top clip the frame is already holded. Okay, so the things I have to do, let me move this frame holded layer on the top of my image or on the top of my PNG image. Okay, so and you come back here for scale it out. And then for this opacity, because I'm going to put it here on this book. Okay, looks like something which is on the book. Okay, yeah, like this, guys. You have to use this scale and position to set it well as possible. Yes, yeah, this is nice, but there is something which is outside of my book. Okay, yes, that reason why I'm going to use this tool, okay, for masking or just for trim or for cutting. Okay, so I have to start it by here where my book it is started, and then select here too. Let me move down. Yeah, click the third point and then this last one. So and then I have to select this. Okay, guys, as you see here, all stuff it is gone, which is outside of my book. Yeah, this looks nice. Okay, so and then I can increase opacity to 100. This looks nice, guys. Okay, so the next step it is come back here on this effect control and then let me search the effect called find edges. So when you move these find edges or here on this holded image, you see how it is. Okay, for these find edges I can increase this bandwidth original. Yes, you see, guys, how it is. When you click invert, it comes to black. Okay, yeah, this looks nice. Okay, and after adding this effect, so the next step it is here you can increase some contrast for, yes, to see what if I can get some smooth or some thick images. Yeah, some thick sketches. Okay, when you decrease this saturation, you see this is nice. Okay, there is no color with on my sketch. It looks like some sketches which have been drawn by pencil, not pen. Okay, or black pen. It is also, yeah, it is also correct. Okay, so and when you're done for making this smooth sketch on my book, yeah, okay, and I have, you see, guys, this looks nice, smooth sketch. And then you have to bring up this video layer. Okay, when you play, you see it also match. So and I'm going to nest this video. Okay, so and I have to move it up and then and I'm going to put this layer, original layer, under of this nested layer. Okay, nested layer. So the things I'm going to do it is, okay, I'm going to animate, and let me try to move it here. Yeah, this is nice. This looks nice too. So you have to click on this next to the sequence, next to the layer, okay? When you try to reduce this opacity, guys, and I'm going to balance it all to fit it well with this original clip, okay? So by using this position and the scale, okay? So let me come back here, and then you have to add keyframe for scale and position. And then when I jump like a few frames, guys, you see I have to increase this scale and then this position. Let me try to move it up, yeah, in order to fit it well. Looks nice, okay? This is better, guys. This is good, okay? So yes, this is nice. Let me move it around here, something like this. Yeah, this is better too. Yes, okay. So when I play, you see, guys, how my sketch it is. So when I play, let me try to move it at 100 for this opacity. When you play, you see how it is already. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. And then let me move this blue line here, and then I have to add the opacity keyframe and then jump like a few frames, you see, guys, and then disappeared my sketch. When you play, guys, you see how this sketch is. Man, this is pretty good. This is pretty nice, okay? Something like this. Guys, as you see here, I have been using like one effect, these fine edges, and then I reduce this saturation, okay? So guys, this is how you can create these blow sketches in Adobe Premiere Pro. Very simple trick, perfect effect. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then drop the comment down below. Let me know what you think. It's your boy LB, and see you in next video. Peace.